Stop by and take a look at the 2017 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, fog lights, perimeter alarm, power brakes, body color door handles, tire pressure monitoring system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.